Welcome to another fun and exciting learning episode of Amazing World of Science. How are you today? I hope everybody is doing well, safe, and healthy while studying at home. I am very much excited to be with you today and be part of your learning adventure and exploring the wonders of science. I am Teacher Elmar again, your science teacher. Are you excited to learn new things with me today? Yes! Great! You will also enjoy every activity even though you are away from school. But before that, young scientists, prepare yourself learning module in Science 4. Your ball pen and paper or notebook, for you will be using them as we go along in this amazing adventure. Make sure that you are now in a comfortable place, far from noise, so that you can hear me loud and clear. So, join me in our science adventure. For today's adventure, we'll help you identify how weather instruments are used to measure different weather components. Have a wonderful experience and enjoy the moment as you explore this lesson just for you. The adventure will focus on using weather instruments. After going through this adventure, you are expected to be able to identify different weather instruments that measure the different weather components. This time, let's play Minute to Win It. So, within 1 minute, try to arrange the jumbled letters to form new words related to weather. Good luck and enjoy! Did you find it exciting? Yes! You will be familiarized with the lesson as you go through the succeeding topic. Keep going! If mathematicians use tools to measure objects, scientists use weather instruments to measure all types of weather. And the person who studies the weather is called meteorologist. Our scientists who study the atmosphere and its many changes. So, what are weather instruments? Weather instruments are the tools and pieces of equipment that are used to measure the weather and track the data from weather patterns over time. Scientists and meteorologists use weather instruments in order to understand the Earth's weather and climate patterns. How do we measure weather? We measure the weather using a range of weather instruments. We can use these weather instruments to measure things like temperature, precipitation level, wind direction, wind speed, and atmospheric pressure.
Here are the weather instruments that we use to measure the weather. We have thermometer, barometer, anemometer, hygrometer, rain gauge, wind vane, and weather balloon.
What is thermometer? A thermometer is used to measure air temperature. A room thermometer has numbers etched on each side. The left side shows the Celsius reading. Its highest number is 100, while its lowest is 0. Look at the red column of the thermometer. The number near the end of the red column tells the temperature of the air. A thermometer may bear the Fahrenheit, the Celsius scale, or both. Air temperature is read in degrees Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius. Temperature is the hottest and coldness of air around us. It differs from place to place. The angle at which the sun's rays strike the surface affects the temperature of a place. Places near the equator have high temperature because they receive direct rays of the sun. The time of the day and the time of the year also affect the day's temperature. When there is no weather disturbance, temperature is at its lowest in the morning. Further, temperature is low during rainy days and high on a fine weather. What is a barometer? A barometer is an instrument which measures atmospheric pressure. Barometers help meteorologists to track the weather and predict storms and weather patterns, as well as determining altitude. These factors help us with how we measure weather.
Change to high pressure means good weather is on the way. And change to low pressure means bad weather is on the way. An anemometer is a weather instrument used to measure wind speed and wind pressure. It can be used to measure any other type of gas too, not just wind. Anemometers can vary a lot in their appearance, but the main thing is that they all have a feature that is designed to move when it's windy to calculate the wind speed.
Anemometer has 4 cups. Mounted on arms, are attached to a rotating shaft. The cups turn around as they are pushed by the wind. As the wind blows faster, the cups turn faster too. When the wind blows gently, the cups of the anemometer turn slower. A change in speed indicates a change in wind speed. What is hygrometer? A hygrometer is used to measure the humidity of water vapor in the air. Humidity is the wetness of the air around us. There are different types of hygrometer that are used to measure humidity and water vapor, like electronic hygrometers and hygrometer apps. Electronic hygrometers take a sample of air and use it to measure the resistance. And then they use that to calculate the humidity. What is a rain gauge? A rain gauge measures the amount of rain that has fallen over a specific time period in a specific area. This weather instrument is a container which is placed in an open area to collect the rain water. What is a wind vane? A weather vane or wind vane is a piece of equipment that's used to show the direction of the wind at any given time. They are typically found on top of a building. A weather vane usually resembles an arrow shape with letters on it that indicate north, south, east, and west. The arrow rotates freely as a result on the wind and points in the direction that the wind is coming from. What is a weather balloon? The weather balloon transmits or sends a radio signals. These signals give information about the weather. A radio sand is attached to a balloon filled with helium gas. The balloon is then set free into the air. Using different weather instruments help you recognize patterns in weather conditions that will serve as your guide in planning your activity for the day. And now, young scientists, you are now familiar with the uses of simple weather instruments. Young scientists, always remember that weather instruments are the tools and pieces of equipment that are used to measure the weather and track data from weather patterns over time. We can use these weather instruments to measure things like temperature, precipitation levels, wind direction, wind speed, and atmospheric pressure.
Now, it's time to check what you have learned. Good luck! Directions. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Write your answers in your science notebook. You will be given 5 seconds to answer each item. Number 1. What instrument is used to measure the speed of the wind? A. Anemometer. B. Barometer. C. Thermometer. D. Wind vane. Timer starts now. Time is up. What is your answer? The correct answer is letter A. Anemometer. Good job! Number 2. A wind vane tells what component of weather? A. Wind speed. B. Wind direction. C. Wind temperature. D. Wind observations. Timer starts now. Time is up! What is your answer? The exact answer is letter B, wind direction. Great! Number 3. What does the daily weather forecast tells us? A. Upcoming typhoon. B. Temperature and place. C. Wind speed and direction. D. All of the above. Timer starts now. Time is up. What is your answer? The right answer is letter D. All of the above. Amazing! Number 4. What kind of weather indicates if the cups of an anemometer is moving fast? A. Cloudy. B. Fine. C. Rainy. D. Stormy. Timer starts now. Time is up. What is your answer? The correct answer is letter D. Stormy. Awesome! Number 5. Which instrument measures the hottest or coldness of the environment? A. Anemometer. B. Barometer. C. Compass. D. Thermometer. Timer starts now. Time is up! What is your answer? The right answer is letter D. Thermometer. Excellent! Good job! You've tried really hard. You are now ready to go to the next activity. Directions: fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Write your answers in your science notebook. You will be given 5 seconds to answer each question. Number 1. The scientist who studies the weather is called blank. Timer starts now. Time is up. What is your answer? The correct answer is meteorologist. Good job! Number 2. The measure of the hotness or coldness of the atmosphere is called blank. Timer starts now. Time is up. What is your answer? The exact answer is temperature. Great! Number 3. The instrument that measures and records temperature is called blank. Timer starts now. Time is up! What is your answer? The right answer is thermometer. Amazing! Number 4. The instrument that measures the speed of wind is the blank. Timer starts now. Time is up! What is your answer? The correct answer is anemometer. Awesome! Number 5. The blank tells where the wind is from and where the wind is going. Timer starts now. Time is up! What is your answer? The right answer is wind vane. Good job!
Excellent! You've made it! You are now ready to go to our next adventure. I hope you had fun learning adventure with me in this lesson. And I hope that you can answer all activities on your module. Let's learn more interesting things about science in our next adventure. That's all for today, young scientists. In Science 4, where learning becomes easy once we explore and learn anything under the sun. Science is really fun. This is your science teacher, Teacher Elmar. Thank you for joining me in our short yet exciting adventure. Watch out and listen for another episode in Science next Friday. Only here on Lead TV and Leader Radio, leading everyone's academic development. Till next time, bye-bye!